I've got a $20 grocery store cake here, except this time we are not turning it into a wedding cake. I am going to make an epic, adorable, really fun Christmas cake, except I don't actually know what I'm going to make yet. I pulled up some inspiration on Pinterest, but I just kind of wanted to like figure it out, see the cake, and just feel it as I go. And thank you so much to Intel for sponsoring this video and sending me this laptop designed on the Intel Evo platform. I have all my inspiration pulled up on Pinterest. I pulled up a bunch of different cakes. I figured we would just go with whatever I'm in the mood for today. So I've got a snow globe here, which I'm like really feeling. I love snow globes. I feel like we could be really creative with it. Our Christmas trees is like a beacon of happiness for me. So like making a Christmas tree is like, yes. I really love the Santa upside down in the chimney. I think it's so much fun. And I feel like there's just so many designs here that we can go with that are all so cute. I'm really either feeling the snow globe, the Christmas tree, or the Santa, but like in the chimney. What do you think?
I think let's do the snow globe and then do this guy in it.
Do an Archie snow globe?
Yeah, that's what I think.
With like a Santa hat or something?
Yeah, that'd be really cute.
I like it. I like it a lot because we got Archie this year. So it makes sense that we finish off the year with doing something Archie. Okay, snow globe. It is. I feel like I need a mood board because I did not design this. So let's figure out like what we're doing with the design and then I can kind of get into it. I'm designing a mood board on Photoshop. Using a touchscreen makes designing so much easier. I need to learn how to draw better though, because designing cakes would be such a breeze using Illustrator. I'm really feeling like the red snow globes with like the snowflakes and everything. I think that's really cute with like a little Christmas tree inside, but I love these like whimsical little kind of like waves. Like I can pipe on these like whimsical little piping. I think it'll be really cute. It almost looks like wind being blown and little dots of snow. I feel like it's gonna come together. Now I'm gonna scrape off all of the icing on the outside of the cake. I did get some extra icing from the bakery that we can ice on the sides, but I'm hoping we can use some of this icing to help do the filling. Don't mind me, I'm also gonna film a TikTok while I'm filming this video because I had this like epic idea for a transition and I think it's gonna work really cool. Maybe I'll do another shot. Yeah, that was the winner.
You didn't miss the bowl this time?
I didn't miss the bowl this time. I was like, where is it? It's different when you're looking through a lens.
Okay, hit record.
Okay. Can we skip to the good part?
And then I go.
Okay. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
I think I need to just like be almost like frustrated. Like, can we skip to the good part?
Yeah, let's get some frustration, some angst in there, a little bit of anxiety and stress. You've been scraping for hours, you're tired, you're exhausted, you really gotta pee or something like that. So let's see that in your face, okay? Like you're just anxious and exhausted. You wanna get this over with. You just wanna get to the good part, right? Okay, let's go. And action.
I can't work with him.
Action.
Okay.
Action.
Stop! Can we skip to the good part? That took way longer than it needed to. Now that we can like carry on, we'll film the rest of the transition at the end of the video when the cake is done. I need to carve the shape, but I need to know what size the dome is so I know what size the base needs to be. But I think I have a ball that's gonna work. I think I have one in our cupboard. Got it! I think I wanna do one cake maybe a little bigger than this and the bottom cake a lot bigger and then angle it. So I'm gonna make this imprint. Now I'm gonna cut bigger than that. This cake is gonna be wonky.
Well, it'll match the rest of your cakes. Bazinga.
Wow. The audacity. Broad daylight. I'm gonna have to deconstruct the cake, but it's okay because I wanted to make my own filling anyways because it can't just be vanilla cake with custard. I want to make it more holiday flavored. Before I do the filling, I'm realizing I need to carve the shape of it because otherwise the filling will be like smeared everywhere as I'm trying to carve it. I should have gone bigger with the bottom layer, I think, but I only had so much cake to work with. So I don't think it's gonna be too tapered, but I think that's okay. I feel like it already looks like we're getting somewhere, like with the dome there.
You got like a glass ball on top of some cake scraps, so yeah, you're somewhere. Did that sound mean and rude?
To make the filling, I decided to keep that custard filling, but instead add some white chocolate that was like all coarsely chopped up and some crushed candy cane. And I feel like the combination is just so good. It's really good. It tastes like white chocolate candy cane bark that you would have, but like with a hint of like creaminess and sweetness. Now I'm just gonna moat the outside of the cake with the fluffy buttercream and then keep this just in the center because I don't want any of those chunks coming through in my crumb coat. Crumb coat. And then we get to skip to the good part. But I think we need to go get supplies first. I don't have any ice cream cones that we can make like the little Christmas trees out of. I need some fondant and I'm hungry. Before I go, I'm gonna plug in my laptop real quick because it's been unplugged since like late last night. And by the time I run around to the store and come back, I will have at least 4 hours battery life. Thank God for fast charge. Are you two having a good time? I mean, it's not like we have a cake over here that is partly decorated. I need you. Can you come film me now? Laptop's charged. I went shopping. I got a bunch of different stuff. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna use, but I got lots of stuff to make things. First though, I wanna ice the cake and kind of get that started before I start working on the decorations on the top. So I'm feeling red. That's what like my mood board, my inspiration board, like that's the color that I really liked on a lot of them. Red's always hard because you have to add so much food coloring, but I think it's gonna look really pretty because red is just like the color of Christmas. And with the green tree on top and the little white Archie and the little white snowflakes on the side, like I think it's just all gonna come together. I was playing around with the idea of doing like scalloped kind of like edges kind of going down the cake, basically creating a pattern in icing, but we really like just like the white snowflakes on the side. So I'm kind of thankful I'm not doing that now because matching that up to make it look symmetrical around the whole cake would have been challenging. And I'm not putting any icing on the top of the cake. I want the top of the cake to be very white, and unfortunately, when you put white on top of red, the red will bleed into the white, making the white pink. So I'm gonna leave all the piping detail on the side of the cake to the end of the video, and I'm making sure not to get any red, or trying not to get much red on the top, so that way I could do a white, fluffy kind of looking snow. Cake is iced, now I need my model. Actually, what's this? Is that your Santa hat? Please get your ears tucked in there.
She's like, leave me alone.
I know, I'm just trying to sleep and cuddle. Such a good boy. Oh yeah, it's like you were built for that hat. He looks so sad. Look how ashamed he looks. Okay, I feel like we can make our fondant Archie now. Question is, how long is he gonna lay there with that on his head? Like, he's a pretty lazy boy. Oh my God, now he's moved. I hope you know this Mother's Day, I'm fully expecting a gift for being a Pama.
He doesn't have an allowance or anything.
So?
So how's he supposed to buy you a gift?
No, you're supposed to get it. When the kids can't get gifts, the parents get it.
I don't think that's how that works.
I'll get you a Father's Day gift. I haven't made a fondant figurine. I don't know how long. Like, I could probably look back in the YouTube videos and figure out when was the last time I made one. But we don't work with fondant much anymore because everyone loves the buttercream cakes. So I feel a little out of my element, but I've made a lot of cute ones in the past. So, okay, here's my dome. This is Archie's body, and this is Archie's head. I'm gonna do better than this. This is just figuring out the sizing. What do you think?
Yeah, looks great. Put it together.
I almost did that almost looks like a dog. Cue the music, and I'm gonna get in my zone. Okay. Back to piping. Oh my God, I am obsessed. I can't believe how cute it came out. Okay, I can't believe we started with like a basic Easter cake and turned into this. We've done wedding cakes, but this is epic. Can we do that transition? Come on. I'm gonna quickly edit this together. Thank you so much to Intel for sponsoring this video. Being a content creator means constantly thinking and working on a million things at once. I love that this laptop can keep up with me and my crazy girl boss lifestyle. Love the way that came out. You guys can check out the final video on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. Side note, I'm taking a little tiny break. We're taking a little small vacation. We're gonna come back in January. So this is the last video of the year, but I love you guys so much. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all of the things, and I will see you in the new year.